Have you been waiting with anticipation for the day when you could actually prioritize chat flows on your website with your HubSpot chatbots? Then guess what? It's time to party like it's 1999. Oh, and you know what time it is.
Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk.
That's right, it's your boy George B. Thomas from SprocketTalk.com bringing you yet another HubSpot educational video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell as well for those instant notifications. Now, let's get into the good stuff. Now live in HubSpot Conversations is the ability for you to prioritize the order in which your chat flows display on your website. Imagine with me for a second, your company is hosting a very important event, and as a marketer, you want to drive promotion for that event to increase signups via live chat or chat bots. You build a new chat flow specifically to promote this event, but there are already other standard chatbots live on your website. You stop and think to yourself, well, crap. Now what? No worries. With this HubSpot Conversations update, it's easy to prioritize the chat flows over existing chat flows on your website pages. That means it's as simple as a click and drag motion for you to prioritize promoting your event or anything else that you want to promote with a chat flow on your website over whatever standard chat flows your website page typically shows. So when your very important event is over, turn off the chat flow and priority will switch back to your standard chat flow operation. That's amazing. And it's super simple. Drag, done, gone. Yeah, thanks HubSpot. You see, historically there wasn't an easy way to do this. If you were super savvy, you might have learned that you could go through all your chat flows, try to understand which ones overlap, and then turn off all the conflicting chat flows so this one could run. But who the heck has time for that? I mean, you don't, and I for sure don't. Well, again, now it's as simple as a quick drag and drop in the order that you want to see your chat flows fire on your website. So you might be wondering, but George, how does it work? Great question. You'll now see a priority column on your chat flows page. Change the prioritization of your chat flow by clicking and dragging the panel under the priority column. Alternatively, you could also change the priority of your chat flow by clicking on the More tab on each chat flow and clicking Move to Top or Move to Bottom. Once you've set the priority, the chat flows will appear on your website in that order. Boom sauce! So who gets this amazing HubSpot Conversation chatbot update? Well, you'll be excited to know this update is now live and available to all HubSpot users in all languages supported by HubSpot. Hey, did you like this video? Want to get more actionable sales, marketing, and service tutorials, updates, interviews, and more? Ready to be part of the fastest growing community of HubSpot users on the planet? Then head over to SprocketTalk.com. Pick the package that's right for you and keep on learning. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell as well for those instant notifications. And last but certainly not least, make sure you're focused on being a happy, helpful, humble human. And along the way, make sure you're doing some happy HubSpotting.